Children, so this is the second period of your math class for today. So I welcome you to the math class again. So children, we are continuing with your math step 3 only. So we are continuing with you with chapter 10, time measurement. In this class we will do exercise 61. So we have done many things about the measurement of time. In previous class we also have learned about conversion of time, yes, from days to hour, hours to minutes, minutes to second. This all thing we have done already. We also have learned to add and subtract the time. So in today's class, children, we will do exercise 61, time measurement. Exercise 61, there are word problems 1 to 5. So this we are going to solve in today's class. So let us start our class without any delay. Children, this is exercise 61. So let us read out question number 1. A carpenter made a chair. He worked on it for 3 hours 15 minutes and again for 4 hours 36 minutes. How long did it take to make the chair? So there are two times given to make a chair for carpenter. One is 3 hours 15 minutes and another is 4 hours 36 minutes, and it is asked that what will be the total time taken by the carpenter to make the chair. So children, let us start writing the statement. So children, here I have written the statement. You will write to make a chair. At first he worked for how many minutes? Let us write hour and minute here at the top. Okay, so that will be easier for you. So at first he worked for 3 hours and 15 minutes. So in the next line you will write next he worked for how many minutes? 4 hours 36 minutes. So you will total time taken. We have to find the total time taken to make the chair. So we will add it. So 5 plus 6, 11. 1 I will write at the top. 1 I will write here. 3 plus 1 is 5. So 5. And 3 plus 4 is 7. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 7 hours 51 minutes. So in this way you will write the statement and you will solve the exercises. Okay, number 1. So number 2, let us do number 2, children. Number 2, let me read out number 2. Ramesh studies for 3 hours 10 minutes in the morning and for 2 hours 20 minutes in the evening. How much time does he spend studying? So here you have to find the time of study for Ramesh. As he is studying 3 hours 10 minutes in the morning and 2 hours 20 minutes in the evening. So let me write first the statement. So children, you will form the statement like this. In the morning Ramesh studies. So how much hour and minute Ramesh studies in the morning? 3 hours 10 minutes. So at the top you can write hour and minute at first. Then after we will start writing 3 hours 10 minutes. In the evening he studies for 2 hours 20 minutes. So we will write in the evening Ramesh studies for 2 hours 20 minutes, right? So the total time taken by him will be, what you will do here? You will add here also 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 2, 3 and 3 plus 2, 5. So your answer will be 5 hours and 30 minutes. Okay children, so in this way you will add the time and you will find the answer of the following word problem. I have done 1, 2 for you, 3 you will do yourself. Now I will do number 4 for you, okay, and 5 you will do yourself. So number 4 says that a film on the TV starts at 5:15 p.m. The film lasts for 2 hours 30 minutes. When does the film finishes? Okay, so here the initial timing is given, when does the film starts, and you have to find the final timing of the film. So let me write the statement first. So children, I have written the statement here. A film starts at 5:15 p.m. and it is lasting for 2 hours 30 minutes. So you just have to add the hours to find the time. So let me add 5 plus 0, 5, 3 plus 1, 4, and 5 plus 2, 7. So the film ends at 7:45 p.m. You will write the film ends at 7:45 p.m. So number 4 I have done it for you children. You will try doing number 5 yourself. Okay, so in this way you have to write the statement also. Before also we have done many things about addition and subtraction with statement. So I think so there will be no problem. So children, hope whatever we have done from this chapter is clear to you all. Thank you everyone.